guys and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are just waiting in the car, waiting for someone. I don't know how much time he's going to take. He said that he's coming in 5 minutes and that 5 minutes is taking forever. Seriously. The time is already going. It's 9:48, buddy. You cannot see the AM written, but it's AM in the morning. In the morning. We're just waiting. We came. What? That's the back of the car. That guy one time drove up the car. Dad, can you push the accelerator? Yep, I was right. It was sounding amazing. He's there. It sounds like a turbo car. But in reality, it isn't. Because this is an Indian car. We are in India only. I'm wearing my mask.